Alright everybody, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Behind me today is an all-new, fresh off the truck Boston Whaler 130 Sport. Big things come in small packages, and that's exactly what we have here. A boat, motor, and trailer package ready to rip. Summer 2021. What are you waiting for? We got the classic Boston Whaler, white with red graphics. You can recognize that from a mile away. Really not much to it. It's like driving a go-kart. You got your steering wheel, you got your throttle, you have your storage up there for your phone, wallet, and keys. Of course, in Florida, you got to have that bimini top so you don't get fried. Back here, we've got our Mercury 4-stroke. No more mixing gas and oil. It's a real turnkey process, 40 horsepower. You can do whatever. Grandkids want a boat, you want to be a cool grandma and grandpa, this is it. Be the coolest person on a block this summer. Drive this boat on a sandbar. Who cares? Get off, have some fun, push it off. Really not much to it. It's a Boston Whaler hose and go package, as they like to say. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis. This is a Boston Whaler 130 Sport, available, you're not going to hear that for very long, here at MarineMax in St. Pete. Come on down and get you some. Bye guys.